This is season 2 of man's journey to rebuild himself. Today, I have revised the 40 pages of 100 million offers by Alex Somozy, as you know. But I targeted for 50 pages, but I didn't complete it the 10 pages. And I today I did journal, and I am regularly manifesting, and still I haven't meditated, and I did exercise in the form of walking, and I didn't complete the syllabus because of mobile. Mobile is the root cause all along, and I did like um sequentially. I'm like speaking what I did from 10 to 11 a.m. I did fan leads. 11 to 1 p.m. I did the book reading, and between the like I plan to read the copy with Kyle Milligan, which is copy squad, between 2 to 4 p.m. But I didn't, like I tried to, but I slept in the uh, what do you say, in sun bath, and I planned to write copy, but I didn't because of that, because I slept, and there was some work that came in between, and oh, I also didn't exercise. I planned to do spine exercise for my body, but I didn't did. That's a lot, man. Revise copy fundamentals. So, but I also didn't do that, but I did the learn ads part. Okay, and I am shooting the video as you are seeing, and right now I have to do the what do you say, routine part, and mm, so I did journal, I did manifest. I haven't right now not did, but I like exercised in the form of walking. झूठ बोल लाइड लाइड नहीं किया, नहीं किया, किया, नहीं किया, ओके एड्स, नहीं किया, नहीं किया, ओके बाकी है। अभी एक मेडिटेशन ही बाकी है इसमें, रूटीन में रूटीन, हाँ मेडिटेशन ही बाकी है, तो ये मतलब हो गया। Did I like today in the work? No. Did I work hard? Was it really enough? No. I need to do more. That's a great idea. Whenever I will mm, like complete the routine, I will record it in the video. That's a great idea. How much was I distracted by mobile and business in the morning, afternoon, in the morning, in the afternoon, evening, evening. After ads, मतलब around 10 to p.m. Did I move towards the goal? Not really. Not really, because right now I have to focus on clients. Okay, so that was it. Time to do it again tomorrow. Hmm.